Governor Nasir El-Rufai of Kaduna State enrolled his son into a public primary school, sparking a debate as to whether public office holders should emulate the former FCT minister. Join us as we feel the pulse of Nigerians on this interesting conversation. I'm Michael Onjel, reporting for Yans TV.
If the Constitution of the National Assembly made compulsory, it's better, because that all of them attended what is called public school. Every politician ought to emulate him.
I would say yes, because they are in power. They are people that's in charge of power. So if they know what other people's children are facing in public schools, they should as well do the same to their own children. If they have human sympathy, or if they are patriotic citizens of Nigeria, they should do as well, by sending their children to public school.
Yeah, they should actually emulate Governor El-Rufai because of that action, because it shows that as a leader, you're putting things in place right, and as you do them, you're giving an example to other people to follow as citizens of the country, as citizens of the state. You know what El-Rufai did that day by bringing his son to the public school actually showed that there is quality education in Kaduna State that anybody, both the rich, the poor, can afford.
Yes, it's very compulsory. At least if 1 or 2 politicians in Nigeria are up to that standard by sending 1 or 2 of their children to public school, I think it should be a very nice development for the country as a whole.
It should be, as long as you occupy a public office, I think it should be compulsory. Then it will raise the standard for the educational sector. It will ensure that the standard is increased to match the level that it is supposed to be at. Like El-Rufai sent his son to the school, you can see that the school was renovated. It was brought up to a particular standard. So all public office holders should have children in schools that are in the public sphere.
For Governor El-Rufai to send his son to public school, there must be a specific reason for that. One of the reasons I saw there, it must be he wants to make the public to know, to the nation, that there is no need for any politician to be taking his son or whosoever to abroad for a school. El-Rufai is now telling the government that his own part of state is more better. Taking as an example from himself, taking his son to public school, to be well known that even when there is insecurity much in Kaduna State, that tells you that the man is having a boldness, encouraging other citizens in that state of Kaduna, in people of politics, that they should all come out to join hands together in Nigeria, putting things better than to be taking things to abroad. If a man like this can take a step as a governor, who is another person again, the presence is there, the Senate are there, who are taking their son, their daughter to outside country, where to school. But this man decided to make a bold step as an example in order for us to come back together to put the country in order as one love.
Whatsoever Governor El-Rufai is doing it for political reasons. Sending your kid to school is not enough. What is the condition of the school? It matters a lot. They understand. Look at some of our schools. In each of the classrooms, we have about 150 other this thing. What has he done to improve the standard of education in the state? That's what that is the key factor. Sending your children to any of a school that is better is not enough. But what I think you should do is to improve the standard of education in the state.
Private schools will be better than public schools because public schools have different kind of teacher, qualified, experience, and the professionals. In private school, you can't get it. You can see one teacher teaching a lot of courses. Some are untrained, but they are there. So politicians sending their children to, we benefit them more than sending them to private schools. Some of them will look at him as somebody who is mean or this and that, but that is the best way a leader can show the example.